Get the most out of your interactive display and transform the classroom experience. Accessible through an app or web browser, you can create and prepare lessons from anywhere. This industry-leading app keeps students connected and engaged. Our user-friendly digital whiteboard and suite of tools increase student engagement and make lesson planning a breeze. From lesson plan builders and randomizers, to interactive games and visual aids, we bring a complete toolkit to any touchscreen. Easily manage the classroom, add variety to lessons, and make learning fun. Whatever the subject, ready-to-teach lessons are available to support any curriculum. And with AI-powered features, lesson planning and classroom interactivity becomes simpler and more effective than ever. Best of all, it's plug and play. Tap in, start teaching, and count on live support when needed. Turn every interactive display into the ultimate teaching tool. Try it now.